There's so many upsetness. That's not even a word. I was just upset with this whole entire production. But I didn't press play or record when I was making my mixture. So here are the stuff that I used. I used mayonnaise, I used eggs, and I also used honey from Africa. Okay, this is the original. That is the honey from Africa, the motherland. My mom was actually able to get someone to ship it from the homeland. And yeah, the next ingredients that I used was ginger. So this was ginger that I juiced, if that makes sense. I juiced my ginger. I use the juicer for my ginger, and I also take ginger shots, and I also use it for my hair. So yeah, so I put everything in my little blender, and I realized that blender wasn't working, so we used that blender right there, and I blend it all in one. We blend it together, girl. And this is what it looks like. The more mayonnaise you add, the thicker it will be. That's why I didn't do that, but that's how it looks. When it comes to my hair, I don't really like it like that. I know I always say, oh my gosh, my hair is growing, but when I look at it, sometimes I'm like, bro, like, you're supposed to like make me love you. Sometimes you make me want to slap you. And that's not okay because I've been working on myself. But yeah, so what I like to do is I separate my hair in 4 sections, and then I start to detangle by spraying water, and that water is actually mixed with conditioner. So yeah, so that's what I do. I spray just a lot more than usual just because I like my hair to really get that moisture before I start detangling. This also prevents you from, breakage and split ends. And now I've been using the Afro pick instead of the wide tooth comb, just because I find that Afro picks for me really does like detangle my hair. And it also kind of just, I think it combs really nicely for me compared to the wide tooth comb. I also have a detangler as well, a detangler brush. But the thicker my hair is starting to get, sometimes it doesn't look as thick as I want it to look, but it's starting to really I'm starting to feel it when I'm combing my hair. Hi, editing Affy's here. I'm a bit mad right now because the scene where I was applying my deep conditioner, I can't find it in my SD card. And I know that I pressed record. I know I pressed record because I was looking at the red button while I was applying everything. So the fact that I cannot find the scene is very, very irritating for me because that was the most important part of the video, was you watching me apply this product on my head. But I really wanted to show you guys the stuff that I used to apply. But I did realize that I have a Instagram clip that showcase the process of me applying my protein treatment on my head. I'm just upset that I cannot find that clip because I know I edited. I know I pressed record. I know I did, but it's nowhere to be found. But that's okay. There's plenty more of these type of videos in the future. So hopefully this small clip after applying the protein treatment is still helpful. So this is a clip that I posted on Instagram just showing how long my hair got. But the most important thing was showing you guys the item that I used to apply this entire protein treatment on my hair. So I am I have an affiliate link with Fake Hair. And yeah, so they sent me some of their product like 2 years ago. And I've been using them heavily on, is that the word? I've been using them really, girl, just know I've been using them, okay? This ain't no scam. This is like my everyday use whenever I am applying my protein treatment on my hair. So Fake Hair did give me a 30% off code for you guys to also use if you was going to purchase anything from on their website. And yeah, so one of my go-to and one of my favorite product from, well, not product, but item, I think, for Fake Hair is this comb applicator that I use when I am doing my protein treatment. It's really good, and it also applies really well on the scalp, and you can also use it as a comb. So yeah, so if you're, trying to do the 2-for-1 special, this is definitely one of those items that I think you should definitely get your hands on. I also have other things from Fake Hair that I'm going to show at the end of this video, aka the head bonnet that I had on. So yeah, hopefully this part of the video is somewhat helpful, but that's how I apply the item. That's how I apply the protein treatment. And yeah, so back to the after. So of course I cannot find where I put all my shower caps. So you already know what's up. So I see some people when they do this process, they tend to, leave their hair out. For me, I like to lock in moisture. If you've been around, you know that this is the step that I do every time I do a protein treatment, especially if you have low porosity hair. I highly recommend you to either find a trash bag or a shower cap to lock in that moisture. And an extra way to do it, if you don't have a steamer near you, those shower cap steamer or those under the dryer steamer, you know what I'm trying to say. If you don't, just type in steamer on Google. But you can sit underneath the dryer and let that really activate, or you can use a pillowcase or a scarf, whatever you have, a towel, and allow that to really sit and activate. Especially if you have low porosity hair, this step right here is definitely a must. All right, so this right here is going to stay in my head for 35 minutes. Normally when I do my deep conditioner hair mask, that normally stays in my head for an hour, no longer than an hour, because it's protein. It shouldn't be in your hair longer than that, because this is just like a protein moisturizer trying to get my scalp back to acting right. I mean, they all do, but this one is definitely just to, wake just to moisturize my hair, because my hair did feel a little bit drier than when I first took it out the braids, because it wasn't taken care of, and I was, going through my priorities. First and what comes last moments. So yeah, I have hair mask for almost everything, and this does grow your hair as well. So I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. Yo, I ran out of the shampoo, but this product right here is definitely one of my top product as far as product for low porosity hair. And it is the Uzi, is it Aussie? I think it's Aussie, the kangaroo. Yeah, the Aussie Miracle Curl product. I have their co-wash, their conditioner. I have their shampoo, but it ran out. And I also have their leave-in conditioner. And I also have their deep conditioner. I can't remember where it's at, but I also do have their deep conditioner. And I'm telling you, if you are trying to look for something that's affordable but also effective, I would highly recommend you guys to try the Aussie Kangaroo Girl, okay? The Miracle Curls. It's really good for low porosity hair, really good for curls. I feel like my curls absolutely come alive when I use this product right here. I love their leave-in conditioner. It's really good. I wish it was a lot more thicker compared to, what it's like here, but it's not, but it still does the job. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to try the Aussie hairline product. I think it's very much so affordable. It's like $2, $3, probably $4. Yeah, hopefully I'm making sense. This is why I like to do voiceovers, because I feel like when I'm speaking, I'm not really making sense when I'm hearing myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and shower after 23 minutes is up. I just want to show you guys how moist moisturized this looks, and I haven't even washed nor rinsed anything out yet, and it's already looking so moisturized. This is so nice. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna go wash, take a shower, but just want to show you guys how nice this looks. Let me go shower. So after we get out the shower, one thing I tell people not to do when it comes to drying their hair is use a towel. I am big on using a t-shirt or a microfiber towel just because a towel really strips moisture out of your hair, and it also causes split ends and it causes your hair to also break. So definitely try to avoid using a towel. Or if you don't want to use your t-shirts, go ahead and purchase a microfiber towel. You need something like that also, it doesn't strip moisture out of your hair, nor does it cause your hair to break. But it just, it makes it a lot more. It just gives it more of a TLC compared to a towel. So I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Once again, I don't apply my product just one bam on my hair. I like to go in section and actually make sure that my hair is receiving that product. If you have low porosity hair, please apply your product in sections, y'all. Don't be out here just, just throwing it on your hair and expecting for your hair to receive that moisture. It don't work like that. When you are applying the product, make sure you are running your finger through the hair. I have some people who say they don't know that you have to run your finger through your hair. Girl, what? Run your finger through your hair. And then another product that I love using is a Cantoon. Yes, I'm a Cantoon girl. I know some of us are like off the Cantoon boat, but my hair absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to continue using it if my hair likes it. So this is how much I apply the Cantoon. And I think when it comes to making my curls pop, I feel like this conditioner does a really good job at making my curls pop. I don't even have to use gel if I was to do a wash and go, because this conditioner does a perfect job at just bringing my curls to life. But yeah, so I apply the Camel Rose moisturizer leave-in conditioner, and then I go in and then I apply my Cantoon leave-in conditioner over that just to give it that extra moisture. I like the two combination. It does really well on my hair. So yeah, just do what you like to do, If your hair likes something, stick to it. Don't switch up, okay? We don't like that. We don't like to switch up. We don't like that. Be authentic, be you. Now I'm just talking. Anyways, back to the video. So after all the moisture has been applied to my hair, this is how it looks. Y'all, my hair is back to living life and living it abundantly. Thank you, Jesus. Come on, somebody. But yeah, this is how it looks. I will highly recommend you to try out this protein treatment because honestly, seriously, you see this. I know you see that. You see that. I know you see that. But no, seriously, it's really good for dry and brittle hair. Yeah, so if you are trying to get your hair back to life, check out this protein treatment. I will also have it written down on my blog in case you're lost. But anyways, yeah, normally I section my hair and twist it before going to bed, but I realized that my hair was a bit sensitive. I said, you just like me and I'm just like you. But yeah, so I decided to put it in a bun, and I used my fake hair scrunchie. I absolutely love the scrunchie. It's really good to the hair and it doesn't rip anything out. Definitely highly recommend. And I go in with my sulfur 8. Yeah, this right here, we're gonna talk about this later. I have so much to talk about when it comes to this product right here. And just know, if you don't have it, you should. So yeah, I add that to my edges just to give it that moisture that I need. And then I lock my entire hair up with my fake hair bonnet. I have a whole dedicated video on fake hair. I will leave down below. It has everything that she sent me in that video, and I am obsessed with everything fake hair. Of course, this bonnet is huge. That's because I ordered the extra large because I did have braids and I do wear crochets, and all that hair can't go into one bonnet. So yeah, I also lost the string. I have another one with the string, but make it make sense. We are trying over here. But yeah, her products are really amazing. Her silk bonnet really shows the difference compared to the ones that I purchased in stores. So definitely check out that video. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.